Alright, so now we take a look at this example, pi over 4. So you should understand that the mystery around pi has lasted a few thousand years. People have been trying to estimate that number forever. Babylonians, all sorts of civilizations tried, and a lot of times they had the wrong, for many civilizations they had the wrong estimate. It was approximate, but not exactly correct. Most of you guys learned in elementary school is 3.14, but that's really not true. It's approximately 314 because there's more numbers that follow here, like whatever, 7, 8, 1. I'm just making stuff up. They have no pattern. Maybe something, I don't know. It goes on forever and ever, and if you ever decide to stop, well, you've only got an approximation. You don't really have the exact number. If you wanted to get the exact number, well, you have to go on forever. And that's kind of a long time, so people just write pi. Nevertheless, you might wonder, well, when you punch it in the calculator, or when somebody tells you this is what it is, how do they know what it is? There must be a better way to generate this number so that it's self-generated. Or there must be some explicit formula to capture this. And in fact, an elegant such formula is provided to us by the bridge. Let me elaborate on that. So, not too long ago, we wrote the bridge for arctangent. We said that's equal to that polynomial, right? So what would happen if I plug in x equals 1? If I plugged in x equals 1, I would get that arctangent of 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 5 minus 1 over 7 plus 1 over 9 minus 1 over 11, etc., 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 etc. Well, what does that mean? Okay, that's fine. That's just a bunch of fractions. But on the left-hand side, what's the arctangent of 1? It's the ratio. Is the angle where the ratio is 1 to 1, opposite over adjacent. That angle is well known to be 45 degrees, or pi over 4. And look at this baby right here. This means that I've got an explicit formula for pi to get it as accurate as I want it to be. All I do is multiply both sides by 4, and I get, bam, this is 4 minus 4 over 3 plus 4 over 5 minus 4 over 7 plus 4 over 7 minus 4 over 11. Whoa, 9. Etc., etc., etc. I multiply both sides by 4. And this, my friends, is how one could compute pi at any degree of accuracy that you wanted to. That's kind of accurate, that's even more accurate, that's even more accurate, and so on and so forth. The series converges exactly to pi. Yippee-ki-yay. Told you. You see why they pay me? It's beautiful stuff, huh? The bridge. 1,000-year-old problem. So elegantly computed in just a couple lines. Love it. Come back for some more examples. We'll see you guys here next time.